What's up, everybody? Ziplock Freshhh here. Hype. Just got some boxes in the mail and I'm happy. I couldn't even wait, man. I had to get straight to it. So I got my holy grails again today. This time though, a wearable. This is the shoe that started it all for me as a sneakerhead. Like, I can remember actually going to get these and being in love with sneakers ever since then. Proud of these babies. I know y'all like corny, whack. Classic. Look at the sole. OGs from 93, 94, I think 94, I think. Look at these bad boys. I had to put my own insole in since they didn't sell it with one, rightfully so. But, oh man. Mesh, leather, suede. Just the insole. I had an extra pair of these laying around, so I took the insole out of these, put it in here. See? Next to oh shoot. Next to each other. I'm always looking for a pair of these. Listen, if you have a pair of these, name your price, send me an email. See, as you can see which ones is better, clearly. They'll never retro these, of course. But I'm just too happy. I'm just too happy today. They wearable. I didn't even wipe them off yet, but they hot though. These is hot. Yes, man. Favorite shoe, hands down. Look at that. These came out right now, they'd be like the hottest shoe out. What shoe is better than these? Seriously, right now. I will camp out online for a week for these, straight up. Nike, can y'all please re-release these? Can y'all really release? Can you see me good? Just hot, yo, hotness. Look at that. Piece hot. Oh, one more thing. Look. Let me show you something. You're not feeling like peace? That's fine. Switch the straps. Bang. Basketball. Basketball. Peace. See? See? They look a little thick, but enough to be. How old is these Jones? About 17, almost 18. These Jones is in better condition than some of the chicks walking down the street at 17 to 18 years old. Bang. Bang. Look at them Jones. I gotta put these on and get a kicks cam, yo. Toe box is a little, you see that? A little suspect. That's cool. We'll fix that. Need a kicks cam. Hold on, be right back.